Welcome to Room 10 Learning Chats. This is Mr. Petty.
And Laura.
And Kaylee.
And we're going to look at one division problem today. We're going to look at 21 divided by 4. And girls, what would you say, what is this equation actually asking us to find?
How many even groups of 4 can go into 21?
Okay, and we talked about a couple ways that we can think about this. Kaylee, you were doing the repeated subtraction method. So you're going to use subtraction to figure this out. You can show us how you did that.
I do 21 minus 4 equals 17. And then 17 minus 4 equals 13. And then 13 minus 4 equals 9. And then 9 minus 4 equals 5. And then 5 minus 4 equals 1.
Okay.
So then you would count how many 4s you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 5, and then the 1 would have been a remainder. So it would have been 5 remainder 1.
Now, Laura, you were showing me a visual model. You were thinking about this with the 4 and the 21. How were you thinking of this?
Well, let's say there are 4 kids and 21 cookies. You want to see how many cookies each kid would have. So now I'm going to count to 21, putting 1 in each spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18, 19, 20. Now, each kid has an even number of cookies right now because there are 5 cookies with each kid. But if I was to put 1 in this kid's slot, then there would be an uneven amount. So we have a remainder. The answer is 5 remainder 1.